Hello student of class 11, this is the video for the chapter quadratic equation. If alpha beta and beta gamma, gamma delta are the roots of the equation x square minus bx plus c and x square minus px plus q equal to 0 respectively, that means it is given that x square minus px plus x square minus bx plus c equal to 0. This is one quadratic equation and its roots are alpha beta, and the second quadratic equation is x square minus px plus q equal to 0, whose roots are delta gamma. We have to prove that alpha minus gamma, beta minus delta plus beta minus gamma, alpha minus delta, this equal to 2 c plus q minus bp. Okay. Since alpha beta is a root of this quadratic equation, so I will get alpha plus beta equal to b and alpha beta equal to c, and since gamma and delta are the roots of this equation, I will write gamma plus delta equal to p and gamma delta equal to q. Okay. That means we have alpha plus beta equal to p, alpha beta equal to q, gamma plus delta equal to p, this is equal to bc, and gamma delta equal to q. It is given. So we have to prove this equal to this. So alpha minus delta, alpha minus gamma, beta minus delta plus beta minus gamma, alpha minus delta, this equal to, if we multiply, I will get alpha beta minus beta gamma minus alpha delta plus delta gamma, simple multiplication, plus alpha beta minus gamma alpha minus beta delta plus gamma delta. From here I will write 2 alpha beta and 2 alpha beta plus 2 gamma delta, and beta minus beta gamma and minus beta delta. If I take beta common, then alpha plus beta, gamma plus delta, and from here, from these two I will take, from these two expressions I will take alpha common, so delta plus beta plus delta, this is equal to 2 alpha beta equal to c plus q minus alpha plus beta, and this is equal to 2 c plus q minus alpha plus beta equal to bq. This is equal to c plus q, this is equal to bp, and we have to prove this is B, this is equal to BP. We have to prove this equal to this, left hand side equal to this, and from here I will get the right hand side, hence proved. Next sum is if the roots of the equation ax square minus bx plus a equal to 0 are alpha beta, roots of this equation alpha beta, show that the equation whose roots are alpha square plus 1 and beta square plus 1 will be a square x square minus b square x plus b square equal to 0. That means it is given that it is a quadratic equation and whose roots are alpha beta. It is given. We have to prove the equation of we have to find the quadratic equation. We have to find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha square plus 1 and beta square plus 1. From the first one, ax square minus bx plus a equal to 0, roots are alpha beta, so I can write alpha plus beta equal to b by a and alpha beta equal to a by a, that is equal to 1. Now the sum of the roots of the new equation that is alpha square plus 1 plus beta square plus 1, this equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 2, this equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta plus 2. Okay. Alpha plus beta equal to b by a, that means b square by a square. Alpha beta equal to 1, this is minus 2 plus 2, this equal to b square by a square. Minus 2 and plus 2 cancel out. And product of the roots. Product of the roots are alpha square plus 1, beta square plus 1. This is equal to alpha beta whole square plus alpha square plus beta square plus 1. From here I will write this is the sum of the roots, b square by a square, and product of the root alpha beta whole square, that is 1 square plus alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, this is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus 1. So 2 plus alpha plus beta whole square b square by a square minus 2, that because alpha beta equal to 1. Alpha beta equal to 1, we have alpha beta equal to 1 and alpha plus beta equal to b by a we have. So 2 cancel out b square by a square. Therefore, the required equation is x square minus sum of the roots b square by a square x plus product of the roots b square by a square equal to 0. So I will get a square x square minus b square x plus b square equal to 0. This is the required equation, and when alpha square plus 1 and beta square plus 1 are the two roots of the new equation, then the equation is a square x square minus b square x plus b square equal to 0. We have to prove it, and hence it is proved. I am ending here.